On the bikes.
Hey, wait a second. What? Look what we got.
Okay, are you ready to get on your bike now?
Look.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yes.
Will you put me on? Come on.
Use your... Oh. You okay? Good boy.
You're okay.
Keep going, Cameron. Push. Push hard. You have to use your strong muscles in your legs.
And I can't even push the brakes.
Well, don't push the brakes. You don't want to slow down.
Look at me, Mommy.
Good job, buddy.
Take care of it. Keep your balance. See that wheel's up? You want to keep the ghost balance. We're faster than we are the clutch here.
Hey, be nice.
Then
Where's he going?
we'll play. He's coming right back.
Okay, keep pushing.
I can't fall down.
You won't fall down. You're getting better. Keep going. It does wobble a little bit, but it's...
No. First.
Can I see your boo-boo?
You guys.
Wow.
You're going
That's
down.
pretty cool.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.